Hi everyone! Today I'm doing a flip through video of the second volume of the Citrus Twist Life Crafted albums that I've completed. This album runs through June to August of 2020. And if you'd like to see a flip through video of my volume 1 as well as some reviews of some of the products that I used, feel free to check out my other video. I'll leave a link down in the description below. So this is the Clementine color, and I believe this has been discontinued from Citrus Twist, so unfortunately this color is not available anymore. And I also used the page protectors from Citrus Twist that were designed to fit into this album. So throughout this album, I've kept some of the things consistent between this album and the last album. So the first thing that I kept kind of consistent was this first page where I have the composition notebook page. I've also continued to use my date roller stamp from Heidi Swapp, as well as these labels from Ellie Studio that come with the die set. I've been continuing to use these month wood veneer pieces from Ali Edwards' One Little Word kit, and the Tim Holtz tiny attacher to attach any vellum pieces that I might have. So I like to journal on vellum pieces through my typewriter instead of journaling on the actual pocket cards, because I feel like if I make a mistake on the vellum pieces, then I can just throw those out and use a new vellum piece, as opposed to throwing out the journaling card that I might only have one of. So the tiny attacher is very good for attaching vellum. So June of 2020, I used the Cocoa Daisy Serengeti collection to document my memories. So I used some of their patterned papers as well as their journaling cards and free printables. So here you can see some of their printable embellishments and stickers and enamel dots from Cocoa Daisy. I also used some of their tabs and their tab header stickers, and some of their washi tape as well. Here I used some of the rub-ons from the Serengeti kit. And here I used a Martha Stewart circle punch to punch out a whole bunch of different patterns and layer them on. This was the last spread that I dedicated to COVID-19. I used a free printable from Kelly Purkey, as well as this is a sticker from the Kelly Purkey Let's Stay Home digital sticker kit. And this one here was from the National Scrapbook Day freebie that Citrus Twist put out. As usual, at the end of each month, I used one of the free printables to make a pocket card outlining my thoughts and a summary of that month. And I have some enamel dots decorating that as well. So here's July of 2020, and this is using the Cocoa Daisy to the Sea collection. I did quite a bit of stamping this month. So the first one here is from Everyday Explorers, and it's called Food Coma, and I love this stamp set because I'm a huge fan of eating, and this pretty much sums up my eating life. Here I have another one of those Ali Edwards One Little Word wood veneers. And here I stamped using the Kelly Purkey Let's Eat stamp. So it was this stamp right here. This month, Cocoa Daisy had some cute stamp sets that went along with their collection. So this one specifically was from I think it was from the memory keeping kit, the Traveler's Notebook memory keeping kit, and I used a couple of stamps from this stamp set. Here I was documenting a 90th birthday, so I used this My Favorite Things pumped up numbers die set. So they have an alphabet stamp set as well as a numbers die set in the same font. And I just thought it was cute that those numbers matched the color of the numbers that were in real life. On this spread, I used some of the cut files from the Carrie Bradford Ride set. So the bicycle here and that phrase there. And I also used a stamp from the Kelly Purkey Hustle stamp set. So that was this stamp here. More labels here and here. Here I found a really cool product. So Close to My Heart sells these memory protectors, and what they are some flaps. They come in 3x4s as well as 4x6s, but these ones specifically are the 3x4s. And so you get ones that are kind of top flipping as well as ones that are side flipping. And I like to use these when I have a couple more photos that I want to include on a spread without including a whole another page. The problem with these ones was that it was slightly bigger than the pocket from the page protectors that Citrus Kit sells. So I had to cut down one of the edges, and you can see here that I tried to fuse it back together with a fuse tool, but it came apart, so I had to use my tiny attacher to staple that, but it works just as well for me. I also like to use these cute little flag stickers from the Cocoa Daisy add-on kits. So they come in a piece like this, and you're supposed to fold them over and have this part hanging off the edge of the page, so like this. However, I found that I liked this side showing a bit better, so what I did was I just cut it in half and then stuck one side onto one side of the page and then the other piece onto the other side of the page. So here we have a flip up, and I included more stamping. So another one of the stamps from the Everyday Explorers Food Coma set, as well as another one of the stamps from the Cocoa Daisy stamp set. Here I did some more stamping. This is from the Kelly Purkey My People stamp set. And I loved the colors of this kit from Cocoa Daisy. Here I kept it pretty simple. I think I was running out of photos to use that month, so I just used one of their pocket cards from the Cocoa Daisy kit as well as one of the pattern papers, and that pretty much rounds up the month. They had some cute little critters from illustrated by Lanú's Pots. This month was a collaboration between Cocoa Daisy and Lanú's Pots, so I included some of the critters in here as well. I thought they were really cute. So here's the August spreads, and for August I used the papers from the Cocoa Daisy Backyard Blooms collection. I loved the bright florals. They also had some puffy stickers that were really cute as well. Here I did some more stamping. This was from the Citrus Twist Let's Wander stamp set. I just colored that in with some pencil crayon, and here are some alphabet stickers as well as a label tag from the Cocoa Daisy kit. Here I have some alphabet stickers from Kelly Purkey. Here I did a waterfall of some waterfall pictures. I thought that was really punny and kind of cute, so I'll flip through those for you. I used one of the tabs from the Cocoa Daisy collection and I just typed out my location here. And on the last flip, I did a bit of journaling on some vellum, as well as stamped out this Kelly Purkey Today's Forecast. So it has some icons and some numbers that you could use to document what the weather was like, which I thought was really cute. I also used a little sentiment stamp from the Ellie Studio Springtime Tabs stamp set. And some more of the free printables and the die cuts from the Cocoa Daisy kit. More alphabet stickers from Kelly Purkey. Here I have another one of those flip outs. And here I did some more stamping with the Everyday Explorers passport set. This Cocoa Daisy kit also came with some sparkly enamel dots, or I guess enamel flowers, because these aren't really dots. They were cute, so I included some of those as well. Cocoa Daisy also included this sticky note pad in this month's kit, and I actually ran one of these through a typewriter to get the journaling on that, which I thought was really fun. Here I used some more stamps from the Kelly Purkey Hustle stamp set. This one here. And then one of the stamps that I used here was from the Ellie Studio Everyday Tabs stamp set. This was a really bright and colorful page, so I had to pull out some more stamps. The Kelly Purkey Summertime Eats, I used a couple of stamps from this stamp set, as well as another stamp from the Everyday Explorers Food Coma stamp set. Been getting lots of use out of that one. And this is the last page that I did for August. So I hope you enjoyed that flip through. If you have any questions about any of the products that I used or how I made my pages, just let me know, and thanks for watching.